In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make a chicken cooker. I show how to make the chicken farm on my channel. Start by breaking the 2 blocks at the end and then place 2 fences on top of each other. Now we'll be adding the walls. Make sure to place 2 blocks over there that are not glass so you can place a ladder at the end. Then dig 3 blocks down. We're placing a sign to make sure the lava doesn't flow out. Whenever I use glass, it's so you can see inside. Now dig another 2 blocks backwards. And then place a chest. You don't need to place a double chest though. Then make a staircase out. Make sure the hoppers are placed into each other and the first one into the chest. Then place a slab so the lava won't flow out from the bottom. Then place another block behind it so the chickens don't escape. Now place the lava bucket. Now we're going to load it up with chickens. Now let's see it in action. If the chickens don't go into the lava by themselves, you can take seeds to lure them there. Here you can see our cooked chickens pouring in. As you can see here, the baby chickens are not going to get killed because they're too short. The baby ones don't give you food. Now let's add a ladder so you can go inside if you ever need. If you missed how to make the first part of the farm, you can go on my channel.